Hey guys, Hanif here and welcome to my Shopifill review. Now, if you've tried to manually add products from AliExpress or some other site to dropship onto your store, then you've probably noticed that creating a product page can take 20 to 30 minutes and kind of be cumbersome. So that's where Shopifill comes along and helps you automate this tedious process of adding products to your store. Now, a lot of marketers for that reason just simply start off with promoting one product or a handful of products because they don't have the time to set up an entire e-commerce store, which can take days and weeks sometimes. So Shopify allows you to set up this entire backend of products because your visitors naturally will want to browse different things, and it can increase your overall cart and transaction value. So it's definitely useful to have a large store, and Shopify automates this process. So the way it works is that you log into your web-based dashboard for Shopify, and the first step is going to be to go ahead and create your first project. Now, when you create your project, then you're then taken to the next screen, which is going to be the store builder setup. And here you're going to just go ahead and configure a few settings. And you've got the option to display your collections on the front page. You've got your profit per unit, your default profit margin that you could set, whether you want, $10 or $15 or whatever the case may be. And you've got, a ton of other options such as different pricing displays, and whether you want the item specs to automatically show in the description. You can set comparison price features automatically and have default product texts, and a host of other options that allows you to set up and kind of customize how you want these products imported and displayed on your store. Then after that, in the next screen, you have the option to give this project access to different people. So you've got your users and your sub-users, so you can import their name and email addresses so that you can have sub-users that can access the store and add products and kind of manage your store for you. And then after that, it's going to ask you whether you want to use one of three different options to build out your store. Do you want the Express Store Launcher, which is where you can just give it a few keywords, and Shopify will go out and populate an entire store for you based on those keywords? Or you've got the Rapid Product Launcher, where you can look at products one by one and then add them to your store more selectively. And then you've also got the Hot Product Launcher, so you've always got access to the top 10,000 best-selling products on AliExpress in this particular area. And when you click it, you'll get to see all these bestsellers. You can add these to your stores with one click. So 3 different ways for you to go ahead and add products to your store. And in this demo, we're going to go ahead and use the Express Store Launcher, where you simply give keywords and Shopify builds out your entire Shopify store for you. So here we're in the Express Store Builder section, and you can put in your keywords. You can give it a bunch of different keywords, and each keyword is going to be treated like a category or a collection, and it'll neatly organize everything for you. And you can choose your price, your product ratings, your product sales. These are criteria of what type of products you want to pull from AliExpress. And when you give it the keywords and you give it the criteria, then it'll go ahead and pull all of these different products for you based on your metrics of how many sales you want those products to have before you pull them into your store, what kind of ratings you want, and all of these different products will be displayed to you. And then what you can do is go ahead and simply publish all of these products with one click. Now, of course, you have the option of either saving the product or not saving the product and then publish it. So you don't have to publish everything that it pulls back for you. You can still be selective, check whatever you want to check onto your saved list, and then publish everything with just one click. All right, so now if you head over to your Shopify store and you click on any particular product, you'll see that the product was perfectly imported into your Shopify store with the title, with the description, neatly formatted and neatly organized in a collection, which is really cool. And Basically, this is an example of what your Shopify page can look like. Again, the images are there, the title, the price, the description, multiple images, and all neatly formatted, looking great on your site. And this was done with a few clicks, and you have the ability to add hundreds of products within minutes, which would otherwise take you tens of hours, even days and weeks to accomplish manually. All right, so with that said, just keep in mind that, of course, this app is a great automated way to build your store, but sometimes it can pull in garbage products too. So you'll need to make sure that you have some quality control in place on what type of products you're pulling in. Other thing to keep in mind is that it'll pull all the images on AliExpress, which might be watermarked by the supplier, which might have the supplier's website watermarked over the images. So that's something to look out for too. And I highly recommend that, over time, you get more and more selective with your product selection and use this tool to speed up the process, but not to build entirely automated stores, because that can get a little bit spammy over time. The more selective you are, the better product selection you're going to have. All right, so with that said, now what I've done is I've created an exclusive and premium bonus package for Shopifill. And I like to call this my Shopifill Fast Profits package, because inside of it, I give you the exact tips, training, software tools, and even done-for-you services to help you get targeted buyer traffic from multiple sources, and to help you convert that traffic into leads and sales so you can scale your business to a higher level. So go ahead and click the link or scroll below this video to check out my full bonus offer for Shopifill. And as I said, it contains the exact tips, training, software tools, and even done-for-you services to help you get targeted buyer traffic from multiple sources, and to help you convert that traffic into leads and sales so you can scale your business to a higher level. So go ahead and scroll below this video now to check out my full Shopifill bonus package. I hope you've enjoyed this review, and thanks for watching.